So you want to transform your job postings with AI so you don't have to start with a blank page like the one you're looking at on this paper? Let me show you how. My name is Kibben. I'm a job post writing expert, and I think there are some ways we can use AI and our brain in combo to create some really good job postings. Because look, when you ask ChatGPT to come up with any kind of job posting, it's going to give you something that sounds professional but really lacks accuracy for your company, for what makes your role special, and what might be important for the person on the other side to know when they want to work for you. There are two other things you have to keep in mind. Newsflash, you are not the only person in the whole world with access to ChatGPT. That means that any person who types in that word and decides to look for that job posting can use the exact same one you're using. And here's the other thing. Even ChatGPT says ChatGPT is biased. It's creating content that's not thoughtful, that's not thinking about those DEI initiatives that are so important to your company, and it's not taking into consideration who we're trying to attract. It's just spitting out something that sounds professional. It's also a reflection of real biases that exist in this world. Look at this example. Textio asked ChatGPT to write two job postings for digital marketers, one for someone who went to Howard and another for someone who went to Harvard University. Now, I think we can all agree that the post should be the same no matter where someone went to college, but for some reason, ChatGPT generated two completely different postings. Bias say what? So here's what you're going to do instead. You're going to hold a hiring manager intake and you're going to ask the most important question that you possibly can, which is starting with business objectives and what that person does every day. You're going to take that transcript of the conversation from the hiring manager and you are going to copy and paste. Never start with a blank page again. Start with a really good template and placeholders and training to understand what is really important to convey. You learn it once, you can use it for your whole career, but truly, it's a copy, paste, edit job, and you'll get better results. Bonus, then you'll use AI to understand job titles. You can make sure that your job posting gets found by using things like job title generators, which will tell you some of the most common job titles on the internet, and make sure that the best talent is finding your post. If you want to learn more about how to write a job posting, you should take my online course and check out our blog at katrinakibben.com. I'm always sharing free advice, but first, you better hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.